Today I'm going to talk about how much protein I get on a plant-based diet, and I'll show you what I eat and the macro breakdown. So at 1 p.m. I started with a bowl of grapes and a tub of pineapple. Then at 2 p.m. I had oatmeal. It was 2 servings of rolled oats. It had 2 bananas in there. I had 1 cup of these wild blueberries, a tablespoon of cacao powder, a 1/4 cup of walnuts, and about a 1/4 cup of almond milk. And that's what it looked like once I mixed it all together. Super delicious combination. If you haven't tried it, you can try it out and let me know what you think. Then at 7 p.m. I had an apple and then 2 burritos. And in the burritos I put sweet potatoes, brown rice, corn, avocado, green onions, salsa, and hot sauce. And then for a little dessert, I had about 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. So that was what I had for the day, and here are the totals. Calories was about 2,900. It was 453 grams of carbs, 81 grams of fat, 53 grams of protein, and 72 grams of fiber. That was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video if you want some great tasting plant-based recipes. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.